Hello student, in this video I discuss your chapter number 6. I was omitted your chapter number 4 and now your first evaluation third chapter is chapter number 6. So see, in exercise 6.1 the first question is how many perfect square numbers are there in between 1 and 200. Between 1 and 200, how many square numbers are there? So see, we know 1 square is 1 into 1 means 1. 2 square equal to 2 into 2, 4. 3 square equal to 3 into 3, 9. And 4 square equal to 4 into 4, 16. 5 square equal to 5 into 5, 25. 6 square is 6 into 6, 36. 7 square is 7 into 7, 49. 8 square is 8 into 8, 64. 9 square is 9 into 9, 81. 10 square is 10 into 10, that means 100. Now 11 square is 11 into 11 means 121. 12 square equal to 12 into 12, 144. Now 13 square is 13 into 13, 169. And 14 square equal to 14 into 14, 196. 196. 14 square is 196. Then 15 square equal to 1. 15 into 15, that means 225. So our question is how many perfect square numbers are there in between 1 and 200. If we take 15 square, then it is bigger than 200. So this is not. So how many square numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14. 1, 2, between 1 and 2. So we don't take this one also. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also with 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many numbers? 13 numbers. So in between 1 and 200, how many numbers are there? 13 numbers. How many square numbers are there in between 1 to 200? How many numbers? 13 numbers are there. Next, our next question is what will be the digit in the unit place of the squares of the following numbers? That means number 1 is 51. When we square 51, what will be the possible digit, the unit place of that square number? That means number 2, I take number 1, 51. Solution is, if we square 51, what will be the possible digit in the unit place of this square number? And we find this without finding the square number. So now see, in 51, unit place digit is 1. If we square 1, then 1 into 1 means 1. So the unit place digit of this square number is 1. Next I take another number for your better understanding. 99. now see here 9 is the unit place number. So if we square 9 into 9 means 81. So in 81 unit place number is 1. So the square of 99, if we square 99, then unit square of that number is, unit place number is also 1. Next, our question is, write the reason why the following numbers are not square number. We find why these numbers are not a square number, and these 1 2 3 4 5, these all 5 numbers are not square number, not a square number. Why? And we write the reason why these numbers are not square. So for this, see, if any number in its unit place has 1 0 1 4 5 6 or 9, the number is a perfect square. The number is maybe a perfect square. So listen, see again, 0 1 4 5 6 or 9, if any of these digit have in its unit place, then it is a perfect square number. Otherwise it is not a perfect square. So our first number is here 4 3 4 7. See, last digit is 7. So our first number is number 3 1 4 3 4 7. See, here last digit is 7, and this number 7 is not present, so it is not a perfect square. So how we write the reason why it is not a perfect square? Because since, so I write why it is not a perfect square, since the number 4347 does not end with 0 1 4 5 6 or 9 at unit place. Therefore 4947 is not a perfect square, not a perfect square number. This is the reason. You write the reason why this number is not a perfect square, because since the number 4347 does not end with 0 1 4 6 5, any of these numbers is not present in the unit place, the number is 7, so this is not a perfect square. Okay, now our 4 number question is, write 5 numbers whose squares are even. If you square any even number, say 2 is also even number. If you square 2 into 2 means 4. The square of that number also even. 2 also even number, and square of that number is also even. Say next number is 6. 6 square means 6 into 6, that is 36. 36 also is even number. From this we conclude that the square of I write square in short form. SQ means square. Square of even number is also a even number. Okay. If we square any odd number, see 3 square. 3 is an even number. So if you square 3, then 3 into 3, 9. 9 is also an odd number. 3 is an odd number. If you square 3, then also we get an odd number. Say another number 7 square. If we find 7 square, 7 into 7, this is 49. 49 is also an even number. That means square of odd number is also a odd number. So from here you find 5, right? 5 numbers whose squares are even. You find you square only even numbers, then you call the square numbers, even number in square. Now our 5 number question is, without adding directly, find the sum using relevant properties. Without adding directly, number 1 is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. You don't find the sum डायरेक्ट, यहाँ पर तुम लोग को डायरेक्टली सम नहीं करना है. विदाउट फाइंडिंग, विदाउट डायरेक्टली, विदाउट एडिंग डायरेक्टली, डायरेक्टली ऐड ना करके सम निकालना है. तो 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Now see how I find. Now 5 number 1 is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. See how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So we square 4 square. 4 square means 16. So sum of these numbers are 16. Now you see 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7 is also 16. So you do without doing direct, without adding directly, you find sum like this. Say I am taking another one. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. Now how many numbers are there? See now how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many numbers are there? 8. That means 8 square equal to 64. The sum is 64. Now our number 6 question is, can 36 be expressed as the sum of 6 consecutive odd number? Yes, we can express 36. So we write yes. How we find? 36 equal to 1 plus, there are 36. That means 30. How we find 36? 36 means 6 square. So we write 6 numbers in there. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3 plus, next number is 5. 5 number is 5 is odd number. Next odd number is 7. 7 plus 9 plus 11. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 numbers we get.